Hello everyone, I'm James Drew from DINSTAR. Today I will show you how to make a testing for the use our DINSTAR MTG to make a connection with PBS, and after that the extension will make an incoming call, outgoing call for testing purpose. Okay. In the previous sessions, I told you already for configure the how to configure the E1 or T1 for PI. Today we will show you the demo, make incoming call, outgoing call with the trunks, and let's start our testing first. First of all, you have to configure your SIP trunk here. I set up a SIP trunk already with our DINSTAR UC200 SIP trunk IP and so on is here already. So please make sure you set up the SIP trunk first. After that, you have to set up the call routing. Call routing here is the incoming call, outgoing call. Please make sure you set up the incoming call, outgoing call for the PBS testings. Okay, and then here again, we can see here we use the port 0 and port 1 for loop testing. Means like port 0 will connect to the PBS 1. After that, forward port 1, and port 1 will forward other PBS. So here, if you don't make a calls, we can see it here. The port is physically active already, and everything is done already. So signaling is up already. You can see the channel 16 is up already, and here we can see the colors different. Let's say it's idle colors, this one. If you make a calls, the color or channel will be different. Okay, let's start the call first. If you make a calls here, I think the channel's colors will be changed already. So it means occupied. See here, if you make a calls, then the colors change. Ring, after then progress and ring and connected. So we can see that we are talking, use different channels. Here is port 0, another one is port 1. So we use the two channels, so make a calls. So the call will look up here, and of course we can check from the our PBS side. We can see here the same thing. The PBS also make a calls already. Go to the SIP trunk MTG and make a call, and times here already. So this is a calling status. Of course, you also can see here we can see the PI is up already. It's connected, and everything is linked already. The same thing. DTU is up already, active. Everything is normal. And PI call, I think this is the accumulate call record already, include the previous call. So concurrent call we can see here. We got one. Okay, so everything looks okay. Let's say I hang up the call. I think once I hang up the call, and the channel will be released, the color will be changed. Okay. You see here, if I hang up the call, the channel released already, become idle. It means like it's empty or idle status here. So I'm ready, and you also can check the CDR. Or concurrent call is empty already because hang up already, and you also can check the CDR here. The call record is here already, and hang up normal, clear, and so on. So it's normal and very success. So this is for call testing purpose for use our DINSTAR MTG or TG U1 G1 to connect to the PBS. Of course, our MTG also can connect to other PBS, and here we can see if you use the third-party PBS, also no problem. Can PI or E1 and so on, no problem. And this is a full step for the MTG or digital gateway connect to PBS for incoming call, outgoing call. So here a lot of the scenario you can refer, and this is our outlooks, our TG outlooks, and so on. Of course, if you have any questions or any inquiry, you want to buy our MTG or want to order or consult some technical issues, you're always welcome to contact us, contact our technical support or follow us. Okay, Thank you for watching. Bye bye.